Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are talking about Tropical Storm Ian. So that satellite imagery does not look well, but it is expected to become a Category 4 hurricane before it makes landfall in Florida. So what we know is that potential evacuations possible, according to Florida Governor DeSantis. Bethune-Cookman University in Daytona Beach, Florida, is evacuating its whole campus, statewide state of emergency in Florida, and Artemis 1 launch delayed again. With the DeSantis speech today, it will be on my channel by the time that this video comes out. So, airline delays Saturday and Sunday. So today, Grand Cayman in the Cayman Islands and Montego Bay in Jamaica. And then Sunday and Friday, we have Destin, Florida, FWL, OSW, HAV, Jax, MA, MIA, MCO, ECP, PNS, SRQ, TPA, and PBI is all for delays on Sunday and Friday, to Friday. So winds at 45 miles per hour, less than previous advisory at 50, pressure 1,003 millbars, direction is west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. So location is 16 north, 80 west, Grand Cayman Islands, 220 miles, and 495 miles from the western tip of Cuba, and around 650 miles from Keys West. So, hurricane warning for Grand Cayman and Isla de Juventud, Pinar del Rio, and Artemisa, Cuba. And then tropical storm watches and warnings. Warnings for La Habana, Mayabeque, and Matanzas. And Cuba watches for Little Cayman, Cayman Brac, and the 7-mile bridge to Key West, and Dry Tortugas, Florida. Storm surge. Dry Tortugas, 1 to 3 feet. Key West to Cod Sound to all the way to East Cape Sable, 1 to 3 feet. So, aircraft reconnaissance. Here is a graphic from Mike Addock Weather on Twitter. And here is all of the departure times for the recon for Ian. So here's the rain forecast for Ian. We're seeing portions of 6 to 10 inches with localized possibilities up to 15 inches. Flood, we have a slight risk at least 15% from Key, Miami, all the way up to Tampa Bay and just south of Orlando and the Space Coast. Key messages, we have 1. Ian is expected to produce heavy rainfall, flash flooding, and possible mudslides in the area of high terrain, particularly over Jamaica and Cuba. Flash and urban flooding is possible with rainfall across the Florida Keys and the Florida Peninsula through the middle of the week. Additional flooding on rivers across the Florida Keys and Florida Peninsula through the middle of the week. Additional flooding on rivers across northern Florida and parts of the southeast United States cannot be ruled out later this week. 2. Life-threatening storm surge and hurricane force winds are expected in portions of western Cuba beginning late Monday. And Ian is forecast to be at or near major hurricane strength, whereas near western Cuba, efforts to protect life and property should be rushed to completion. 3. Ian is expected to become a major hurricane in the eastern Gulf of Mexico during the middle of this week, but uncertainty in the track and intensity forecast remains higher than usual. Regardless of Ian's exact track and intensity, there is a risk of dangerous storm surge, hurricane force winds, and heavy rainfall along the west coast of Florida and the Florida Panhandle by the middle of the week, and residents in Florida should ensure they have their their hurricane plan in place, follow any advice given by local officials, and closely monitor updates to the forecast. So, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I create another video. Alright, bye-bye, and stay safe.